students. Now moving ahead with exercise 11.1. First and second question we have seen. Now third one. So question number 3 is the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Now first of all, you need to see the shape which is given to you carefully. The shape is in the middle. Which shape it is? It is rectangle, and the end points means the ending part, it is semicircle. See, this is half circle and this is half circle, both circles are same. So find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So this is the shape of a garden. We need to find out its area also and perimeter also. Hint is given to us in the question that length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. Now, why length of rectangle is this way it is given, so that we need to understand. So first of all, this is our rectangle. Okay. Now, the length of the rectangle, this much part, this whole part is given 20 to us. Now if you see the ending part here, it is in semicircle shape. So for circle what we need radius. So ये जो आपका line दिया है, that is the diameter. We want radius. So radius means half of diameter. How we will find radius? Radius means diameter divided by 2, d upon 2. So diameter means this part is given 7. See, outside it is given 7 meter. So we have to do half of 7. 7 upon 2. So 7 को 2 से divide करेंगे. So the answer will be 3.5. Answer will be 3.5. So 3.5 from this side, ये इतना part आपका 3.5 होगा radius. I am talking about radius. ये इतना part radius, and here also radius. Okay, suppose this is the center of the circle, so this much part will be your radius. So 3.5 from both the sides, 3.5 from here and 3.5 from here. We have to add and remove it from 20. Okay, ये 20 जो आपको दिया है, this is of this whole part 20 meter. ये whole part का 20 आपको दिया है. Okay, so this whole part is given 20 to you. But we want only length of rectangle. So length of rectangle के लिए क्या करेंगे? जो 20 आपको दिया है 20 मीटर, उसमें से यहाँ से 3.5 और यहाँ से 3.5 माइनस करेंगे. Then whatever will be remaining, that will be only the length of the rectangle. So first of all, you need to understand how you can decide the length and breadth of this rectangle. Now moving ahead with the solution part. First of all, for finding the perimeter or area, anything, we want length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so let us start the solution part. So first of all, length of the rectangle we will calculate. So that will be 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. So 3.5 plus 3.5 will give you 7. So that will be 20 minus 7, and which is equal to 13 meter. So length of rectangle मिल गया, it is 13 meter. Now this breadth part is already given. See this 7. It is given outside the figure. ये जो आपका circle का जो diameter है, that is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so both are 7. So length was not given. We have calculated. ये पूरा आपको दिया था 20. तो उसमें से हमने जो इतना part है length, that we have calculated and we got 13. So now this is our length of rectangle. Now we will find area of rectangle. That is L into B. So 13 into 7. This is B, breadth, this part. Okay, so 91 meter square. So we have got area of the rectangle. Now we need to find area of these two semicircular ends. Now, what is area of circle? You need to recall the formula for area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. This is the formula for area of circle. Yes, we have also used it last year in 7th standard also, it was there. Area of circle pi r square. Now here we have half circle, we don't have full circle. दोनों half circle है, 2 times we have half circle. So that is why we will take 2 times half, and then formula for area of circle means pi r square. Area of circle की formula pi r square है, right? But we have half circle, not complete circle. So that is why यहाँ पे आगे half लगा देंगे, half pi r square, and it is 2 times. So that is why here we will take multiply by 2. So what will happen? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So only pi r square is left out with us. Now moving ahead, okay, moving ahead with the solution part. So pi r square will be left with us. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Only pi r square will be left. Now putting the value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r means radius. In the question 7 is given as diameter और हमको चाहिए रेडियस, तो रेडियस मीन्स डायमीटर का हाफ, मतलब 7/2. सो जो आर स्क्वायर दिया है आपका, इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस आर स्क्वायर मीन्स आर इंटू आर 2 times, we will take 2 times 7/2 into 7/2. Now we will do cancellation. So this is 2 ones and here 2 ones and 2 ones, so 11 आएगा और ये 1 7 और ये 1 7 cancel. So after cancellation what is left? 77/2 meter square. 77/2 meter square is left and that is 38.5 meter square. 38.5 meter square. So this is the area of two circular and area of rectangle. Okay. Now we have to find out area of this complete shape. ये जो आपका पूरा complete shape है उसका area ढूंढना है. So हमको जो area of rectangle मिला है, area of rectangle plus we have got area of this two circular end. Both we will add to find the total area of this complete garden. तो ये पूरे का complete area ढूंढने के लिए दोनों जो आंसर मिला है उसको ऐड कर देंगे. So total area of the garden is area of rectangle plus area of two ends. ये दोनों को अब ऐड कर देंगे. Okay, so this both we will add, this 91 and 38.5. So your final answer will be 129.5 meters square. So this is area. Now we will find out perimeter. Okay, so first of all, for finding total perimeter, again we have to add perimeter of rectangle plus perimeter of two circular ends. जैसे हमने एरिया में किया वैसे ही पेरीमीटर के लिए भी करना है. तो टोटल पेरीमीटर निकालना है, तो टोटल पेरीमीटर के लिए वापस पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल करेंगे प्लस पेरीमीटर ऑफ टू एंड्स. सो नाउ वी आर डूइंग बोथ कैलकुलेशन टुगेदर. दोनों को अलग अलग करके भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो या साथ में भी कर सकते हो. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल प्लस पेरीमीटर ऑफ टू एंड्स. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फॉर्मूला इज 2 into L plus B plus perimeter of two ends, जो two circular ends है, so that we need to take out. So that will be 2 pi r minus 2 times 2r. 2 times 2r, why it will be 2 times 2r when we will take perimeter of two circles. So first of all, what is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter means circumference of a circle. तो circle का circumference की formula क्या होगी? It is 2 pi r. This is the circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. So 2 pi r we need to take and we are finding the boundary length. Okay, we are finding the boundary length. Perimeter means boundary length. So हमको perimeter means only the boundary part. Okay, boundary part. और जब हम लोग circle का लेंगे circumference, so formula is 2 pi r. So in that when we talk about circumference of circle, what happens? We take the complete circle. Are you getting it? And we take radius also, but here we have to take only this much part of the circle, only this much part. We don't have to take the diameter, we don't have to take the radius because it is inside. So perimeter of circle की जब हम बात करेंगे तो हमको सिर्फ इतना ही part लेना है, only this much part, because we are doing perimeter means only boundary length. So ये जो आपका rectangle है ये आएगा इतना part और ये वाला part आएगा, मतलब ये वाला part आपको रिमूव करना है. यू विल हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो हाउ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट? सो दिस इज 7 एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 7. सो यू कैन perimeter of, from perimeter of rectangle also you can do -7 and -7. Okay, or you can do 2 times diameter, you can remove. So whichever you are comfortable. From rectangle, first we will find perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, plus 2 pi r plus 2 times 2r. So this we need to subtract. 2 times 2r means ये -14 हमको करना है because the shape is like this. Okay, so we are talking only about the boundary. So ये दोनों पार्ट रिमूव हो जाएगा, यानी कि जो ब्रेथ है ये 7 और ये भी 7 means 7 plus 7 14. We have to reduce, माइनस करना है. So the final answer will be after calculation 2 into 20 plus 22 minus 14. So 48 meter will be the perimeter of this garden. Hope you understood. This was question number 3. Now we will move ahead with question number 4. Now fourth question is, a flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram. So let us see the question first. The question is, a flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 and corresponding height is 10 centimeter. So base and height of the parallelogram is given. How many such tiles are required to cover the floor of area 1080 meter square? Now area of the floor is already given to us. पूरे floor का जो area है that is already given to us. Okay. Now we have to find out the solution. Now before we go to the solution part, please note that this base and height, they are given in centimeter and this area is given in meter. So units are different. So first of all, units we have to make it same. Okay, जो measurements है, this base and this height, they are given in centimeter and area of the floor is given in meter. So जो meter में है इसको पहले हमको centimeter में convert करना पड़ेगा. We have to convert it and we have to make the units same. Let us start the solution part. So first of all, area of the floor is given 1080 meter square. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That we know. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. But here it is meter square. 2 times. So 100 also 2 times. So 100 into 100 means 10,000. So हमको इसको जब convert करेंगे so 10,000 से multiply करना है. So 1080 into 10,000. So after multiplication this will be your final answer. Okay, 108 and total 1 2 3 4 and this one, so 5 zeros. So this much centimeter square. So this will be your area of the floor in centimeter. Now area of one tiles का shape दिया है parallelogram. Okay, so we have to apply formula for area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base into height. This area of parallelogram is base into height. If you draw any parallelogram, okay, ये suppose ये आपका एक parallelogram है, okay, तो उसका area क्या होगा? Base into height. Base into height. This will be your area of parallelogram and base and height is given. So 1 tiles, so that is why 1 and base into height, so 24 into 10, so that will give you 240 centimeter square. Now area of complete floor is given to us. Area of complete floor and area of one tiles is given. So whenever we want to find number of tiles, see here they are asking how many such tiles are required to cover a floor of this much area. So we are finding number of tiles. So number of tiles जब भी हमको ढूंढना है और पूरे फ्लोर का आपको एरिया ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, पूरे फ्लोर का एरिया दिया है और उसमें जो टाइल्स लगेगी वो एक टाइल्स का आपको एरिया दिया है. तो टोटल कितनी टाइल्स वी हैव टू अप्लाई, वी हैव टू पुट, हाउ मेनी टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. सो वी सिंपली नीड टू डिवाइड बोथ. दोनों का जो एरिया है उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे, यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स. सो मूविंग अहेड विद द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट. सो number of tiles required will be area of the floor divided by area of one tile. So ये दोनों divide करेंगे, you will directly get number of tiles. So already we have these both. So 108 and this 00005 times divide by 240. Now you need to do cancellation properly. So 0 and 0 cancel, 24 and this 108 and this 40. You can start cancellation with 2. You can start with 12 also, because 12 2s is 24 and 12 9s is 108, and again 245s will give you 90. Here 90 00 something will come. So 45,000 tiles will be your total answer. 45,000 tiles. If you are not comfortable with cancellation, you can do by division method, but cancellation is easy. You can go by cancellation also directly. So 45,000 tiles will be your answer. You can take the table of 12 2s are 24, so नीचे 20 आएगा और यहाँ पे 12 9s are 108 और ये आगे आपके 4 zeros आएंगे. Now this 0 and 0 cancel and here 12 45s are 90. This way you can do cancellation. Your answer will be 45,000 tiles. So this will be your final answer. So this was the solution part of fourth one. Now moving ahead with the fifth question. So fifth question is, let us first see the question carefully. So fifth one is, an ant is moving around a few food pieces in different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take longer round? Remember, the circumference of a circle can be obtained by using expression C equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Now these are the shape of the food items. ये जो आपको shape दिया है A, B and this C1, these are the shape of the food items. The ant is moving around. She is moving around these food pieces. So for moving around these food pieces, how much she has to move around? Okay, so that we need to find out. Okay, so for which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? कहाँ पे longer round होगा, that you need to find out. So first of all, when the ant will be here for this first one A, she will move like this and she will move like this. So what is this? This is circumference of a semicircle. So circumference of a circle की formula है 2 pi r, but this is half circle, so we will do half of 2 pi r. Okay, r means radius. आपको ये डायमीटर दिया है 2.8, डायमीटर का हाफ कर देंगे, so आपको रेडियस मिल जाएगा 2.8 का हाफ कर देंगे. So first one formula will be 2 pi r. Second one, the ant will move like this, okay, and then it will move like this. This part is empty. Okay, so what we need to do is, here we can find perimeter of rectangle, और फिर उसमें से ये लेंथ वाला जो पार्ट है, ये सर्कल वाला जो पार्ट है, ओके, ये पूरा सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस उसमें से रिमूव कर देंगे. ये पार्ट आपको माइनस करना है, जो मिडल वाला एम्प्टी पार्ट है. ओके, सो यू नीड टू थिंक हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस थिन लेयर. This much thin layer only the ant is going to walk around. So this part is empty, so you have to find out circumference of circle. ये आपका जो आएगा उसको आपको फिर माइनस करना है, रिमूव करना है, इतना पार्ट आपको कट आउट करना है. And then the third part, so third part the shape is like this. So let us see the solution part of this one by one. So moving ahead with the solution part, so first we will see of A part, distance covered to take around by the ant. So first one is half 2 pi r, because it is a semicircle. So circle का circumference क्या है 2 pi r, but it is a semicircle, it is not a complete circle, so we will take half 2 pi r plus 2 times radius. Why radius? Because we have to take this line also, so 2 times radius ले लो, या तो diameter add कर दो 2.8, both are same. 2r means diameter only, 2 times r means diameter. So for the first figure we need to do this way calculation, half into 2 pi r. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, so actually only pi r is left, so pi r plus 2r. 2r means this 2.8 we have to add, so that will give you, keep the value of pi 22 upon 7 into r means radius. So radius means 1.4, 2.8 का half करेंगे, so 2.8 का half करेंगे, so we will get radius. So 2 ones are and 2 fours are, so 1.4. So this way you will get 22 upon 7 into 1.4. और यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आप प्लस 2.8 भी लिख सकते हो, ये जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है डायमीटर. After calculation you will get 7.2 centimeter. After calculation you will get 7.2 centimeter. So this is first one. Now moving ahead with second part. Second one is distance traveled by the ant will be 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.8. Okay, ये तीनों आपको ऐड करना है. See the figure. Going back to the figure, the ant will move from here. So this is 1.5. Then the ant will move like this, so this is 2.8. Then again it will move like this, so again 1.5. So ये this part plus this part plus this part, ये तीनों तो आपको ऐड करना ही है. ओके, सो ये तीनों आपको ऐड करना है, प्लस ये वाला पार्ट आपको एडिशनल लेना है. सो दैट हाउ वी विल टेक. सो लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ बी. 1.5 प्लस 1.5 प्लस 2.8, और वो जो आपका हाफ पार्ट था, दिस was the shape. Okay, so ये वाला पार्ट जो है आपको वो, तो half into 2 pi r. Why half into 2 pi r? 2 pi r means circumference, but in the figure we have only half circle, so that is why half into 2 pi r. This is half circle, so half into 2 pi r circumference formula. Okay, so now this way we will calculate. So our answer will be, you add this 3, it will be 5.8. Okay, 5.8, and this 2 and this 2 cancel, so in 5.8 plus pi r. Now 5.8 plus pi into r means 22 upon 7 into 1.4. So multiply these both, cancellation is possible, 7 ones are, and this is 1.4 means 7 twos are 14, so 0.2 आपका आ जाएगा after cancellation. So after calculation part of this, your final answer is 10.2 centimeter. So 10.2 centimeter is the solution part of B1. Now moving ahead with the solution part of C1. Distance traveled around by the ant for the third shape is half into 2 pi r plus 2 plus 2. Now why plus 2 plus 2? Let us see the figure first. So this is the figure. Okay. So first of all, the ant will walk this way, so this is 2, then this way, so again plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2, and then this much part, so again this much part is circumference. Okay, so this much part is again circumference of the circle. Actually it is half circle, so वापस हमको half 2 pi r तो लेना ही है for this much part, और रेडियस पहले आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. ये जो आपको दिया है that is diameter. Okay, so for the third shape, the ant will walk like this, means 2 centimeter, then like this means again 2 centimeter. Okay, plus ये वाला पार्ट, अब ये वाला पार्ट आपका सर्क्यूलर है तो ये डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलेगा, so we have to apply formula for circumference of circle, but it is not a complete circle, it is half part, only this much part, so we have to take half into formula of circumference. Let us see the solution part of C1. So as I told you, half into 2 pi r plus 2 plus 2. I hope now it is clear why we are taking half into 2 pi r, क्योंकि वो कंप्लीट सर्कल नहीं है, यहाँ पे जो है ये सिर्फ हाफ पार्ट है. ओके, और ये सिर्फ सर्कल की बाउंड्री है, मतलब सर्कमफेरेंस की फॉर्मूला लेंगे और वो भी हाफ करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज सेमी सर्कल, हाफ पार्ट. नाउ दिस 2 and 2 विल बी कैंसल, ओनली पाई आर इज लेफ्ट, और ये प्लस टू जो ये दोनों पार्ट हमने ऐड किया फ्रॉम द फिगर. So pi r plus 4. So pi means 22 upon 7 plus 22 upon 7 into r. R means our radius. Okay, so 22 upon 7 into 1.4 plus 4. So after calculating this whole part, your final answer will be 8.4 centimeter. So 8.4 centimeter will be the answer for the third one. So for first one, the answer is 7.2 centimeter. She has to walk, the ant has to cover the distance of 7.2 centimeter. For second one, the ant has to cover 10.2 centimeter, and for third one it has to cover 8.4 centimeter. So for which shape the ant will have to cover longer distance? So the final sentence, the final statement will be the ant has to take longer round for the food piece, that is 10.2 centimeter, means this B1 10.2 centimeter. Okay, तीनों में से यही बड़ा है, यही ज़्यादा है. So 10.2 centimeter का जो भी आपका shape है, for traveling that, for this shape, the ant has to travel longer distance. So this was the solution part of question number 5. Here our first exercise 11.1 is over. Hope you understood. Thank you.